see what everyone's talking about.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Well, we're out here. This is the ICNA conference. Here we're in Hartford, yeah?
Yes, yes.
Okay, tell me your name.
My name is Abu Ubaidah.
Abu Ubaidah.
Yes.
And who is this lady?
My wife. I married her yesterday. Her earlier name was Marilina Marson, but after that she converted. Her name is still Maryam. Maryam is, her earlier name was Mary, and now she's converted to Islam. We know that Mary was the mother of Jesus, so still the name Maryam. Mary and Christian and Maryam in Islam.
So she didn't really have to change much.
No.
Does she still have the same last name?
Yes, she have still the same last name.
So Islam doesn't make the lady go to the new owner?
No.
It's not like that?
No.
Now, she's all covered up like this. She used to be, you said Catholic?
Yes.
Now she's Muslim, so now you're oppressing her, yeah?
No, I'm not oppressing. It's her own
But
wish.
you made her cover up like this?
No, it's her wish. It's not. Islam teaches that.
Really?
Yes. It's
You didn't beat her with a whip or anything?
No. She might probably beat me up.
But wait a minute. You said you just got married yesterday.
Yeah.
And you're at a conference today?
Yes.
Was this his idea or your idea?
Both of our ideas.
You wanted to come here for your honeymoon?
Yes.
Okay.
We were in agreement. Yes.
Okay. So your name now is Miriam.
Yes.
Okay. My daughter is Miriam as well. For the same reason that we like this name Miriam, because of the mother of Jesus. But you were a Catholic.
Yes, I was.
Did you like being a Catholic?
I was born into the religion. It was not by choice. Islam was by choice.
So when you said I want to be a Muslim, you said, okay, I'm going to let people oppress me and make me wear clothes like this, or no?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. No.
Educate us. Tell us about it.
Yeah, I'm seen for who I am from the inside, not from what you see on the surface.
Whoa.
And as far as oppressing, no. Women are seen as a jewel that must be protected.
So two things now you mentioned. Jewel being protected. I really like that. I also like the other thing that you said, that people now are looking at you, they have to look at the person inside. They can't just judge you by what does the hair look like, what does the body look like. It's like, oh, forget that. Talk about who do you see me as a person.
Yes, that is correct. I'd like to be seen, Ubaidah married me for my deen. I can't.
Okay, tell us what is deen.
And my beauty. Which is not unveiled.
Tell us what is deen. Now, a lot of our folks out there at home, they're not knowing Arabic words. So what is deen?
The deen is the religious belief.
So that people are recognizing you by how you're behaving, how you're acting, what's your religion, never mind about. That makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. But now you've only been married one day. How long have you been a Muslim?
I've been a Muslim for almost a year.
A year? Oh, okay. You know everything now.
Well, no, I can't say. It's I stammer through a lot of things, and I'm...
It sounds like a guy I know gives speeches. But I get away with it. Well, it's great to have you guys. Miriam and Abu Ubaidah.
Yes.
It's really great to have you. Where do you live? Where are you guys?
She's from Toronto, and I'm...
Canada?
Yeah, Canada.
Yes, Canada.
Canuck, mashallah.
Canada.
Yay. Yay.
And you're from?
I'm from U.S. Yeah, Houston.
What state?
Houston, Texas.
Oh man, it's my state.
No.
When you say that, you have to say it with all respect.
Okay. Houston, Texas.
Yeah, that's Bush country, yeah?
Oh, wow, Bush, yeah. There he lives.
Well, I don't want anybody putting down,
No.
actually put down Texas. I'm from Texas. And, we contribute a lot to the United States.
Inshallah,
In fact, we gave them, Johnson was from Texas, President Johnson.
Yes.
He was from Texas, Eisenhower, he used to be in Texas. And some other presidents.
Bush was Texas?
His father, Bush.
Yeah.
In fact, as a matter of fact, we sent Father Bush there to the United States government to run the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? And everybody liked him so much, they had one Bush, then they wanted a son of a Bush, and we give it to them.
Yes.
So anyway, we can always edit that out, but anyhow, alhamdulillah, it's great to have you guys on the program. Got a question for you now. And here's my question. Do you think that Muslims need their own TV channel in English in America?
Yes, they do. They should have a TV channel, their own TV channel, their own media, basically. They should have it.
What language?
Should be English, sure.
We need it in English.
Yes, we need it English.
Native English speakers or somebody that's chopping it up pretty good?
No, English.
I see. All right. Well, let me ask you this question. Have you heard of Huda TV?
Hudhfa TV, I heard it. Yeah.
What about Peace TV?
I heard it. In India, Peace TV.
Who is having Peace TV?
Zakir Naik, I guess.
Exactly. Well, my question, if we had a chance to have something like Harun Yahya stuff, would you like that too?
What kind of channel it is?
You know Harun Yahya, he has those books out about science and everything, Islam, those real beautiful, shiny books.
Yeah, I never heard about that. But no.
Did you hear about it?
No, I haven't.
Well, you did hear about TV, the Peace TV?
Yeah, yes, I have somewhat, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know a lot about it.
All right, now what we got, look over here on the wall. You see that, what we got up there? It says Bridge to Faith.
Yes.
What this is a new channel, Bridge to Faith TV, and also another channel with this called Guide Us, GuideUS.tv.
Yes.
So if you have this, would you like your children to watch it?
Absolutely.
Sure.
But you don't have any children. You're only married one day. How do you know?
Well, I know that.
Oh, good.
It must be a good thing, otherwise the booth wouldn't be here.
Whoa, I like that. Now that's a good plug for us. It must be good or we wouldn't be associated with it. I like that. Very nice. But anyway, it's great to have you guys on the show and be with us for this kickoff. This is our pilot. We're just now getting it started, and it's great to have you guys with us.
Pray for us to have a good life and have a nice, beautiful marriage, Islamically life. That's all I need.
Yeah, you're still excited about being married, aren't you?
Yes,
It should be.
should be.
Yeah, that's great. Congratulations on coming to Islam, and especially congratulations on getting married. And I think that you did good. You know, the choice you made. Okay, how does that really work? Should we tell him? Let's tell him. Okay, how it works is that the man, he chases the woman until she catches him. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.